Hello everyone, Nifty and Bank Nifty has achieved our target as we shared our view last Monday on Ticker TV. Last week market opened with upward gap and remained in positive territory for entire week. Nifty closes at 11,194 with a gain of 292 points. Bank Nifty closes at 21,966 with a gain of 695 points. Broader market also traded with positive bias. Nifty 500 closes at 9,086 with gain of 190 points. Nifty Midcap closes at 15,528 with a gain of 286 points. Nifty Energy remained top gainer for the week and closes at 15,895 with a gain of 953 points. Nifty Metal remained top loser for the week and closes at 2,087.50 with a loss of 43.90 points. Coming to the participants wise OI data, FII reduced short position on index by 5,941 lots and added meaningful long position on index future by 2,842 lots. DII added long on index future by 64 lot only. Proprietary desk added short position on index by 2,686 lot and reduced long position on index by 2,859 lots. Same way, client also added short position on index by 7,668 lots and added long position on index by 5,634.34 lots. Clearly we can say FII has positive view on market. Now coming to the technical and derivative setup on Nifty. Nifty is trading above its 50, 100 and 200 DMA. After upward gap opening, Nifty remained in small range from 11,056 to 11,238 for entire week. Nifty cumulative OI increased by 12.70% and price also increased by 2.7%, considered as a long build-up. Looking at monthly expiry OI data, maximum OI on call side is at 11,500 strike with 51,493 lots and maximum OI on put side is at 11,000 with 58,244 lots. Next, if we check, maximum OI change happened at 11,200 call strike with addition of 9,160 lots and on put side 11,100 with addition of 8,262 lots. The view remains bullish on Nifty for next week. Buy on dips would be the preferred strategy. Go long around 11,050, 11,100 for the target of 11,300, 11,400 and stop loss would be 10,950. However, if price sustain and closes below 10,950, one can take contra bet and go short for the target of 10,700 with a stop loss of 11,050. Now looking at technical setup and derivative setup on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is above its 50 and 100 DMA, however trading below its 200 DMA. Relatively, Bank Nifty is not strong as Nifty. On daily time frame, Bank Nifty formed negative divergence with 14 period RSI. However, Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased by 21% and price also gained by 3.2%, considered as the long build-up. Maximum OI on call side is at 23,000 strike with 36,153 lots and maximum OI on put side is at 22,000 with 27,749 lots. Next, if we check, maximum OI change happened at 23,000 call strike with addition of 14,323 lots and on put side 22,000 strike with addition of 6,625 lots. Bank Nifty view is remained range bound to negative for the next week. Bank Nifty for coming week range is 22,000 to 23,200. Either side Bank Nifty sustained and closes will decide further trade.